Everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone have a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We're going to go over the markets. Good price action today. The Dow was up quite a bit. All right, 522 points up on the Dow. NASDAQ was up. S&P was up, and the Russell was up. So good price action. All right, so let's go over the markets. All right. Hey, T, welcome. T, welcome. Welcome. All right, guys, let's go over the markets. All right, so Dow was up, NASDAQ was up, S&P Russell was up. We do have buy signals on the Dow. Let's see here. Dow buy signal right here. S&P have a buy signal. And guess what? NASDAQ finally gave a buy signal today. Okay, so that's really good, guys. We have 3 of these indexes with buy signals. Okay, now we send out a lot of alerts, all right, for equities yesterday. All right, so our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, and we're waiting on Bullmaster Pro. We'll get those out to our traders, Bullmaster Pro traders, after the call. We'll do that. Okay. But big picture, let's do that first. Okay. Big picture on the Dow, guys, we are breaking through. No surprise. We've been talking about, all right, breaking through that resistance. Hey, CDL, welcome, welcome. So we've been talking about anticipating, all right, a break of resistance here on the Dow weekly time frame. And look, we got it, guys, right here. No surprise. Big break of resistance here. So now we moved to 42,000 on the Dow. All right, so 42,000 on the Dow. That's good news. Monthly time frame, we're moving higher on the Dow. All right, still in September, but guess what? We are moving higher. All right, great news for the market. So I guess, guys, this was the low on the Dow right here. This was the low for the year. This was 2023. So this was the lowest right here for the year. So not a lot of selling on the Dow for the year. The S&P, same thing. We're breaking through big resistance here. Weekly time frame. Here we are breaking through here. So S&P is getting in on the action there. All right. Let's bring in a new trend line here so we can see here. All right. So no shorting, guys. We are moving higher there. Okay. S&P on the weekly and our S&P on the monthly time frame. All right. Buy signal here. Look at that. Every single month we've been making higher lows. All right. Higher highs, higher lows. Amazing price action. Okay, so starting in January 2024, every month on the S&P we've moved higher. Had a bit of a retracement all the way down here. All right, recovered nicely, close up here, moving up nicely. All right, that's the S&P monthly time frame. The NASDAQ, all right, all-time highs is right here. Had a bit of a retracement, recovered, now moving higher again, looking to test, hopefully breakthrough resistance here. Wouldn't call this resistance, just a high here. So just like the Dow, just like the S&P, we can expect the NASDAQ here to break through. Hey, Anthony, welcome. All right. All right. On the monthly time frame, NASDAQ, look at breaking out. So we are definitely, we've called a buy signal in equities. All right. We have 3 of the major indexes, and the Russell should give us a buy signal anytime soon here. Okay. A Russell weekly time frame. Here we are on the weekly time frame, right? Getting close to breaking that resistance right here. Amazing price action. Even the Russell is getting in on the action. Monthly time frame, right? Resistance is here, all right? Looking to break through. That's good for small caps, all right? The VIX moved down a bit, trading at 1633. That's really good. We need the VIX to continue to come on down. All right. So this to get around 12, 13, ideal for the VIX. Anything under 20, just remember, is good. 16, we'll take that for now. All right. The Magnificent Seven. Let's go through this quickly. Tesla, guys. Tesla gave a buy signal today. So that's a big deal. All right. So we're going to call Tesla a buy. Tesla, a buy. And we'll put that, we'll put Tesla in Bullmaster Pro. So Tesla in Bullmaster Pro. Okay. Bullmaster Pro. All right, Tesla buy signal right here at 233. All right, some resistance here. Good buy signal. We'll look to break through. NVIDIA, let's see here, still consolidating, still holding. So we'll wait on NVIDIA. Meta, Facebook, buy signal. Look at here, guys. Look at that. All right. Perfect buy signal on a break of resistance. We got good resistance here. Here. This is where sellers are sitting here. We'll count this here. And here we are here, right? Broke through that resistance. Perfect buy signal, guys, right here. All right. So trust your system. Trust your process. If it fails like it did here and here, that's fine, guys. We'll know. Otherwise, we're looking for a move higher. And guess what? We're heading into fourth quarter, Christmas, right? Thanksgiving, Christmas. Good time for stocks. Okay, that's the buying season. Unless something strange happen, all right, we'll look for equities to keep moving higher. So Facebook, Meta, buy signal. So we're gonna add Meta also. We're gonna add that in Bull Master Pro, and we've got a buy signal right here. Came in today. All right, today. Let's take a look at Apple. All right, Apple, no buy signal yet, guys. So here's resistance here. All right, green candles came in today. We break through that resistance, we'll get a buy signal. All right, so we'll wait on Apple. Microsoft, right at resistance, breaking resistance here. We get a buy signal. We'll call that on Microsoft. Look at Amazon. All right, Amazon gave a buy signal today, guys. See what's happening, right? That's why we follow our systems, follow the price action, right? So no matter what is being said out there on the street, doesn't matter, right? Stocks are not crashing. I know everyone thinks, right, economy is going to crash, stocks are going to crash. That's not happening, all right? They held here. So here was the sell-off here. I think, what, 5%, 8% max right here. Recovered nicely. Now we are moving higher here. And again, getting into October, right, fourth quarter. Very good time in here. Okay, so here was the low, and here we are. Keep moving higher, right? Need to break through that resistance. Buy signal came in by our system right here. Need to break through. That's Amazon. So we'll call Amazon also AMZN, and that it's in Bullmaster Pro, right? With good fundamentals. All these stocks have great fundamentals, except for Tesla, all right? Google right here, let's see here, still trying to get past all of this health support, right? We need buyers to come on in and test resistance here. So Google still has some work to do there, okay? All right, Bitcoin, made a move higher today. We got a green candle this week right in here. Bitcoin is at 63,000. We'll keep an eye on it. If it gets past 71, right, 72,000 or so, we'll pay close attention on the daily time frame for buy signals. So, but nothing yet. All right, the dollar, guess what, guys? We've got a red candle here. You guys should have noticed your dollar pairs. And we look at the dollar pairs, yen pairs, all right? That yen pairs, that's your best trade right now. And dollar pairs might be your second opportunity there. Okay, to go short, red candle came in today. We're breaking through support here. All right, a big support here goes back several years, guys. This support here, previous resistance becomes support. That support right here goes back all the way to 2017, 15, 2015 right here, guys. All right, so here we are, red candle coming in on this week, and we are breaking through that $100 level that has been a very, very tough resistance on the way up and support here on the way down. So keep an eye on our dollar shorts, all right? And we'll look for, if we have time, opportunities this evening. Pound yen recovering nicely, all right? Look at this, all right? So pound yen, here's your trend line, your channel here, upward, right? Side of the channel, trend line here, right? Downward channel here, holding support. Use your channel here as support. And look here, we were hoping for a nice bounce. Now, we don't have a white candle yet, but a nice bounce. That price is right here, right? If it keeps moving higher, right, we'll see that candle turn white, right? Hopefully, we still have one more day for the week. So if keeps moving higher, that will turn white for the week. All right, tomorrow, let's say, week close, there's a weekly time frame, and hopefully we can see the pound yen keep moving higher, test the high here of the channel. All right, so that's the goal. On the monthly time frame, it's recovered pretty good here. All right, really good. Look at that candle here. All right, it got off the low here. Right, and it's currently right here. Hopefully break through that resistance. So good price action on pound yen. Boy, if it can break through that resistance here, we could see pound yen and those yen pairs move much higher. All right, so great price action. Let's take a look at Forex. Good volatility. Look at that. Good movement on the daily time frame in Monster Forex tracker. All right. And guys, we use this to track Forex. So we know with Monster Forex Tracker, everything that's going on in the Forex market. All right. Just by visually looking at what's going on here. So good price action, good volatility on the daily time frame on the 240. Look at this. On the 60-minute though, guys, we're about 40% volatility, 60% consolidation. So be careful on the 60-minute time frame. All right, just be careful there. Overall, though, good price action. We have buyers coming in the yen pairs. Okay, on the 60, on the 240. All right, great trades on the 240 and on the 60 too. And no real buying yet on the daily time frame. If this continues, we'll see buyers coming on the daily. Same for the Aussie and Kiwi pairs, and selling, guys, selling on the dollar pairs. Same thing with the euro and pound pairs. Hasn't changed. Just be careful with those. We don't have real direction yet, and that's been going on for months now on the euro and pound pairs. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, sectors, top sector right now, real estate still holding firm. Utilities, surprised by this, holding firm. Consumer staples, right? Consumer staples holding well. Going into the fourth quarter, so consumer staples should do well. All right. And a lot of the small caps will come from consumer staples. All right. So we'll definitely keep an eye on it. Good price action on the daily. Let's take a quick look at the weekly here. See what's building up on the weekly. All right. Not bad. On the weekly there. On the monthly, let's see. Monthly. Look at that. All right. So we're getting past a pretty good resistance here. Buy signal last month on a big candle. And look at here. Good price action. We're getting past resistance here. That's consumer staples. As we move forward, all right, into the fourth quarter, small caps. Small caps will usually do really, really well for the Christmas rally. Okay. Large caps will do okay, but small caps, that's with the Russell. All right. Russell index, they normally do fine. And those stocks will come from Stock Boss. Okay. So with Stock Boss traders, in particular, you guys should be on high alert. We send out some trades. So start positioning for those All right, I know Anthony's on here. Anthony trades stock boss. So Anthony, you know what to do. You've been through this before. All right, so Christmas rally, we setting up nicely there. Monster futures. So the dollar, guys, is right at support here. All right, right at $100. Currently, it's up, but we're looking to break through that support here on the daily time frame. All right, so we'll continue to watch it here. All right. Again, we do have on the daily time frame, which is where we look for our buy signals to call buys in equities, right? The S&P buy signal here gapped up today. Nice price action. We are definitely moving higher. Okay. If things change, guys, we'll know. All right. But we do have buy signals. We have buy signals on all three indexes. All right. So that's really, really good. Our E-mini traders. All right. So US 30 NAS 100 traders and our S&P, right? That should help you guys also with those trades. Okay, so S&P buy signal looks good. NASDAQ also give a buy signal. And that buy signal came in today. Here we are right here, buy signal, and we are breaking that resistance. Not in a forceful way, right? But it did gap up, and we do have a buy signal. That's all we need, guys. All right, as long as we have a buy signal, we're good. All right, we call the buy signal with two of the indexes giving buy signals. Now we have three, so that's further confirmation, okay? All right. Hey, Mohammed, welcome. Gold. All right. Gold. We'll take a quick look at gold here. I think we still have the gold. Do we still have gold on here? Gold. Here is gold. All right. Gold. Good question on gold. Oh, my goodness. All right. Gold, guys, keeps moving higher. Buy signal here. All right, this is on the monthly time frame though. All right, we'll take a quick look at the daily time frame, but gold is at 2,600. Now we had mentioned gold could perhaps go to 3,000, and looks like it might make it, guys. Okay, so buy signal was here on gold on a break of this resistance here at 2,500. All right, 2,500. It did retrace, got a red candle here. So if you wanted, you could get back in here and trading at $2,600 on gold. All right. On the weekly time frame, all right, good price action. So on the daily, let's see here. Daily, we have a buy signal. All right, buy signal here moving higher. All right. And we had some previous buy signals. This one failed. This one did okay. On the weekly time frame, and gold struggled, guys, for a number of years. All right, so all in here, right, there was a very tight range for gold, and it traded between 1991 or so, right here, right at the support here, resistance 22. And since 2000, it got into that range 2020. And for a long time, gold traders really had a difficult time. Finally broke out early this year. So this was when, March of this year, it broke out buy signal, and it's doing really well. Like I said, looks to go to definitely 3,000. Okay, this is the monthly time frame, right? Monthly time frame right here. No resistance above. Okay, so we did have resistance here. Finally broke out on the monthly buy signal. No resistance above. So, Mohammed, gold can go anywhere. All right, it can go much higher. Okay, all right, 2,600. On gold, good, healthy Nice candles here, guys. So this price action, look at here. If we get another move like this on the monthly time frame, okay, so buy signal here. Look at that move here. Buy signal here. That's an early move. Boy, it could go much, much higher. Okay. All right. Good question. Good question. Let's bring it back to the what was it? The weekly time frame. Okay. Weekly time frame. All right. Next one here. The Russell, guys. So we have a buy signal on the S&P, buy signal on the NASDAQ, buy signal here on the Dow. All right. Buy signal, retrace, held, moving up nicely. Okay. As it moves higher, expect the dollar index to move lower. No, the VIX, the IWM, the Russell, is right at resistance, and we'll take this for the Russell, guys. All right. Again, Russell was much like gold in a tight range. Finally, broke out here, right, in what's that, July of this year. Okay, and now, right, this buy signal failed. Now it's getting ready to break through that resistance right here and move higher. If it breaks through resistance, right, we should get a buy signal. And in that case, we'll have buy signals on every single index, which is really good. Right, would be really good. All the sectors are moving higher. All right, we have two that's down, one that's neutral. Energy is down, and tech. All right, tech. Now, with the fourth quarter, right, hopefully we get the Christmas rally. We'll see tech. Tech should improve. All right, and communication services, that should improve too. Okay. All right. So, but energy, just stay away from energy for now. All right, it's bearish. Current position. So let's go through current positions, and we have a lot, guys, to go through. So current positions in Monster Scalper 60-minute time frame, and hopefully you guys, well, I've been noticing you guys have been trading these yen pairs. So great job. Okay, good job trading these yen pairs. We don't get these moves every day. So when they're out of their consolidation and they start moving again, all right, that's when we go to work. Okay, so, and I know sometimes it's hard to pay attention to everything, right? But you know, when they stop moving, you'll get a break. But when they're moving, we want to trade them. Okay, let's start with the short. So we have two shorts. In Monster Scalp on the 60-minute time frame, we have two shorts. Let's look at those first. On the 60-minute time frame, and those are the dollar shorts. So we have USD NOK and dollar CAD. All right, take a quick look here. All right, USD NOK, sold short signal here. All right, it's retracing a bit, but still holding red candle. All right, we need it to come on back down, break through that support. All right, so nothing to do right here. If the dollar index breaks through support, right, this will help this trade. USD NOK, USD CAD, dollar CAD, same thing here. Right, sold short right here, pulling back a bit. Keep an eye on it. All right, these will sometimes get to that, right, moving average like they did here and come on back down. Okay, so, but keep an eye on them. Okay, our support is right about here. All right, not your best trade, because that, you know, the dollar index wants to move lower, but still holding there at support. We're looking for a big push lower. Okay, so be patient with it for now. As the equity markets move higher, it will put more pressure on the dollar to break through that support level. Okay. All right. Long positions on the 60-minute time frame, and we have quite a few here in Monster Scalper, and just great trading You guys know we went short. Now we're going long. All right. All right. So we went short here. Now we're going long. Okay. First one, Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD. And I hope you guys took Anthony's trades. Anthony called this trade on the 60-minute and on the 240. So hopefully you guys got on his trade, and good job following those traders, right? Anthony and Solomon and Brian, those are really good traders. So especially our new traders, all right, get on, follow these guys, right, in our Discord, okay? All right, so I know we just got it going again. All right, so take advantage of it. And I know we have tons of traders out there that are not on it, so you guys want to get on it, okay? And give feedback. We have a lot of experienced traders, okay? So give feedback, help our new traders, okay? Just like you guys got help, right, when you first started, okay? So share that knowledge, okay? So that everyone gets a chance to do well. Aussie CAD, guys, buy signal here. And Anthony, good job. Great job calling this trade. All right, so Aussie CAD, buy signal here. Good price action. No red candles, no sell signals. All right, even with these white candles, guys, continue to hold, okay? All right, we do not have a sell signal by our system. I know it looks choppy in here, but look, it keeps moving higher. And we need these big trades, right? We need this on the 60-minute time frame. And that's been for what? Almost a week now, okay? So they will hold even on the 60-minute time frame, all right? So don't get in and out, all right? Try to hold because you need those big trades to pay for your small losses, okay? It broke through resistance here. Look here, big resistance here, broke through all the way up here. Good job, Anthony, calling Aussie CAD. And it's also on the 240, okay? New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand, all right? Buy signal was, where was it? I think right here, right here. We got out here. We did not call this one here, so close the trade, please. Aussie New Zealand, very, very choppy. Close the trade, please. Aussie Swiss, buy signal here. We had a red candle, sell signal. We got back in, holding firm. Keep an eye, right? A lot of resistance right here. All right, sellers are sitting here and here. Here we are here, right? No red candles, so hold it for now. Hopefully it breaks through, get past all that resistance there, okay? So resistance here, next level. I wouldn't call this resistance, just a high right here, but it is getting overbought for sure, okay? Aussie, Swiss, New Zealand CAD, all right, buy signal here, holding, all right, holding firm. And then our yen pairs, let's see how these yen pairs are doing. All right, Swiss yen, all right, really good markdown phase. Follow your phases, guys, even with the smaller time frames, okay? I'm serious. Even if you bring it on a 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, make sure you draw your lines. That will help you stay with the trade. So good markdown phase, buy signal, all green candles, holding right here, white candles, let it run, Okay, so Swiss yen, nothing to do there. New Zealand yen, beautiful trade, guys. Look at this, good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance, let it run. All right, with trades like these, guys, we have to let them run. All right, a lot of times as traders, we'll mess up the trade. All right, we get impatient, so let it run. All right, no indication that the buyers are done. Okay, goal is to get it all the way up here. That's the target on New Zealand yen. HKD, JPY, buy signal right here. We're still holding. Dollar yen, right? Buy signal here. We're still holding. Euro yen, all right? Buy signal here. Still holding, getting edge target here. All right, and these are for several pips, this is for what, almost 300 pips, guys. So good trade going here, let them run. CAD yen, All right, buy signal here, holding, good markdown phase. Don't be lazy like me, drawing your lines. CAD yen, we have CAD yen twice here. Pound yen, all right. And I have to say, all right, great job with our traders, our new traders that are trading pound yen. All right, good job. Good job. Pound yen is perhaps the most volatile pair of all the pairs in Forex. So if you guys are trading pound yen, good job. All right. If you can trade pound yen, you can trade the other pairs. Okay. Most volatile pair. All right. And but follow your system. We got a red candle here. All right. So you could have gotten out here, got back in. All right. Right here. Right. Trading well. The first target is all the way up here. Okay. If we get a bigger move, all right, if we get a bigger move in pound yen, guess what? We can break through that resistance right here. All right, we could break through that resistance and keep moving higher. All right, all green candles, so we should be holding on to the trade. Okay, holding on. All right, nothing here to say we should be out of the trade. Okay, on the 60-minute time frame, all green candles, amazing price action. All right, opportunities to scale up also. Okay, SGD JPY buy signal here, holding firm, good markdown phase. Here is your V. Okay, ZAR yen buy signal here. ZAR yen will move also. Look at this. All right, good trading here. All right, if you guys are really good, okay, buy signal here, good price action. Look at that, all yellow support and resistance. All right, when it pulls back like this with white candles followed by a green candle here, very bullish sign. All right, this is an area here. All right, if you're not risk adverse, right, if you don't mind putting on some risk, this is an area here you can also add to the trade. Okay, a little higher risk because you're near that support level, near that trend line, but certainly that's an area we can add. All right, Aussie yen buy signal here. Look at that price action, guys, and pay attention to all these yen pairs are moving higher. That gives us really good comfort, right? Good comfort level that we're in the right side, right? On the right side of the trade. Buy signal here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance, really good trading there. Okay, so we shorted here in the markdown phase. Now we're going up in the markup phase. So we want to make money here. All right, we don't want to trade long during the markdown phase. We don't want to short it during the markup phase. We want to short it here, go long here. If it fails, no big deal. We wait and we test it again. Okay. All right. ZAR yen. Like I said, same thing here. Aussie dollar. All right. Let's move Aussie dollar up here. This is a fairly new Aussie dollar buy signal here. Holding. Keep an eye on it. Let's move it down here. So Aussie, AUD, USD, AUD, USD. All right, we'll move it up here. All right, so these are on the 60-minute time frame. Great trades, guys. All right, you should be taking advantage of these trades. All right, if they fail, look to get back in on new buy signals. Okay. They're going long. They're not short. Okay. Shorts on the 240. We have a lot of good opportunities, guys. Notice we're sticking mainly with the yen pairs, Aussie, Kiwi, and dollar pairs. Okay. You might find an opportunity in the euro pairs. All right. But just be careful with those euro and pound pairs. Okay. We want to trade the pairs that are giving us the maximum opportunities. Okay. Shorts on the 240. Okay, and we've got some decent trades on the 240. All right, USD NOK short on the 240, so short right here, trading right at support. Again, if the dollar index breaks through that support, right, this will help this dollar pair. So just holding that support here, just like the index, okay? USD HUF, same thing here. So short here, just holding. USD SGD, all right, so short here and buy to cover. So we're going to close it, but keep an eye on it. It can certainly give another sell short signal. So show short here, right? We got out here, green candles, got back in right in here, but guess what? Had to cover. So close the trade. USD SGD. All right, we want small losses, big wins, get out quickly when we're wrong, when it's wrong, or the market's wrong. All right, so short here, right? Failed to break support, made a move higher, broke resistance, closed the trade. USD SEK, if it breaks through, we might get another short signal, and we will call it, okay? All right. So short here, right in here, buy to cover. We have a current short here. We'll wait on calling that, okay? So you guys see the dollar pairs are tough right now. USD MXN, so short here, still holding. We've got white candles. We need red candles, sellers to come on back down, okay? And test support down here. We'll hold it for now, okay? So that's why the dollar short is not our best trade, okay? So most of your time, most of your resources should be spent on the yen and then Aussie and Kiwi pairs, okay? All right, so we have long positions, perhaps the best trade. We've been talking about these trades here. Best trade right now in Forex. On this 240 time frame, okay? All right, so Aussie Swiss. All right, buy signal here, breaking out nicely. Resistance is right here on Aussie Swiss. Good trade going here. Aussie dollar. All right, good markdown phase. And I know it's high. Let's call this reaccumulation, okay? I know it's high in the markdown phase. Let's see here. All right, buy signal here, getting past, right, resistance here, moving up nicely, right, we'll stick with it. So Aussie Swiss, Aussie New Zealand, same thing here. All right, buy signal here, good markdown phase, and we're moving higher, okay? So remember, it's like a rubber band, guys, all right? So it gets sold off, and then buyers come in, all right? So, all right. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, same thing, right? Here's your discount, all right? Mark down, mark up, buy signal, moving up nicely. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Swiss, same thing. And New Zealand dollar, same thing here. All right. Again, I've been doing this a long time, guys, so I can just see these, but draw in your lines, okay? Draw in your lines. It'll help you navigate the trades, okay? Euro dollar, all right, it's closed its trade there. All right, so we're looking for, right, this is as the dollar pairs move lower, right? Euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar will move higher, right? This one failed, okay? So close it, no big deal. Euro dollar, close the trade, please, okay? All right, New Zealand yen, so the yen pairs. All right, New Zealand yen, good trade going so far. All right, here's your mark down, mark up. All right, buy signal here, moving higher right here. Okay, first target is right here. Next target all the way up here, New Zealand yen. We are looking for a larger move, guys. So we are looking to break through that resistance. No guarantee, but I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks through that resistance. Okay, all right, we're looking for a bigger move. HKD JPY, right, buy signal here, holding for right now on the 240. Dollar yen, right, buy signal here, holding. All right, so those of you still looking for a trade, right, these are still good to get in. All right, if they fail, we'll get sell signals to get out quickly. Okay, euro yen, same thing, right, early here, right, holding firm. All right, these two here failed, but all right, we're looking for a bigger move. Support is down here. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen. This is a mess. Hold on. All right, buy signal here. Here's your markdown. Resistance is here and here. If it gets past this area, we could see it move higher. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Slowly there. We can bring this across like about this right here. Okay. Pound yen. This is on the 240, guys. So they're earlier. They're early on the 240. They're not moving haven't gone up as high as the 60 minutes. So they're still getting ready. So still opportunities, okay, to get in on the 240. And you can trade on multiple time frames. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen also looks good. Okay, moving up. And then ZAR yen, all right, moving up nicely here. Okay, and we have right here on resistance here, another level of resistance there, and then all the way up here. Okay, and then Aussie dollar, right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. So we have buy signals, guys, across the board. Nothing to change, nothing to close. And then Aussie CAD. This was Anthony's trade also. So he called it on the 60-minute and on the 240. Okay, so again, Anthony, good job. Doing really well on the 60 and on the 240 here also. Okay, all right, good job. Okay, we have a few trades in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those. On the daily time frame, long positions here. Long positions. All right, pound dollar. Pound dollar holding a fairly decent trade right here. All right, buy signal here, holding. New Zealand CAD, holding. Dollar, New Zealand dollar, holding. Aussie dollar, holding its buy signal. We have one short, ZAR yen. All right, this will probably close because we know the yen pairs are moving higher. All right, so short ZAR yen. Let's take a quick look, see if we need to close that trade. ZAR yen. All right, still holding. Sell short signal here. Keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come back down. I doubt it. If it gets a green candle here, just close it. Okay. All right. We'll leave it for now, but nothing here. I don't think anyone is trading it. We haven't had a lot of good trades in Forex Dominator. We will. All right, we will. We've had amazing trades for thousands of pips in that system. Just doesn't happen, right, all the time. Right, takes a long time to work out. On the in Stock Boss, we added several stocks in Stock Boss, guys. So you guys will notice here, right? We only had a couple of stocks. Now we have more. So we'll keep adding. Now that we've called a buy signal in equities. Okay. So we'll go through this quickly. All right, IAG, nice. PSNY, good. BGS, good buy signal there. OLPX, good. All right, BME, that's holding. SUPV, that's good. AQST, we've had that for a while. Good price action there. AUPH, good. BHC, good. And remember, stock boss, guys, that's small cap. So we need the Russell to help us out here, okay? MNKD, good. MRSN, really good. Look at that. All right, $2 too, $2.19. Good markdown phase, good buy signal. And look at this. Peter calls this the mountain, right? The mountain. All right, so bought here, sold here, markdown phase. Here we are. Hopefully we get another move like this, okay? All right. Choppy here, but good. All right, good holding. We just want to make sure these are holding. All right. ULCC, good markdown phase, buy signal. And so that's good. Bullmaster Pro, Bullmaster, guys. Bullmaster Pro, we haven't added yet. All right, but Bullmaster, we've got some here. Good. Just pay attention to the price action. We want to have buy signal, right? We want a bit of some selling. All right, buy signal, green candles, and now we're moving up in the markup phase, okay? All right, notice how we follow the price action, guys, if whatever market. So it doesn't matter. From stocks to Forex, futures, doesn't matter. We follow the same four market phases, same price action, okay? All right, good. Nice buy signal there. Good. Boot. Yeah. Good. We just want to make right now, we just want to make sure we're going to be adding a lot of stocks. So we just want to make sure we got green candles and buy signals, okay? And we should have all green candles here. All right, good. All right, good. All right, so you see the trend. All right. Sometimes when we get into that buying season, you can almost, no guarantees, but you can almost buy just about anything and they'll move up, right? Some will move up more than others, but if we get the right setup, so we have lots of stocks here and they're all nicely moving higher, okay? And we just got our buy signal, so these moves are early. We're looking for, if everything holds, the market holds, we're looking for several months of buying, okay? All right. Bullmaster Pro, we only have three here, okay? All right, we're almost done. Let's see here. We have, let's go through the US 30. So guys, we have buy signals on the US 30 right here. On the US 30, we have a buy signal here on the 60-minute time frame right here. All right, so buy signal here, holding firm, buy signal on the daily here. Okay, on the US 30, no shorting, unless you're really quick and you're using small time frame, but we have buyers on the 60, buyers on the daily. On the NAS 100, we have a buy signal, all right, and we call these, all right, so buy signal here, 60-minute buy signal on the daily, and then here on the S&P, buy signal here, and it's holding, okay? All right, guys, so a lot of good opportunities. Find your spots, find your opportunities, okay? All right, so find your spots. Try to hold on to your trades. If it's trading well in the markup phase, try to hold firm, stay with the trades. And I'll see you guys. Good job. I want to thank all our traders, been helping the new traders, right, on the Discord. Good job. Keep it up. And post your success stories, guys. Post your success stories. That will help motivate everyone. Okay? Take care. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.